Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap stock where Dolly Khanna has secretly accumulated 2,01,544 shares during the last quarter. Her holding in the company now stands at 1.18% at the end of the September quarter. What's noteworthy to include that her name does not appear in the shareholding pattern for the June quarter for this company. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is NR Agarwal Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 466 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is NRAIL. Now NR Agarwal Industries Limited is an India-based company which is engaged in the manufacture of paper boards and newsprint. The company is also involved in duplex boards and writing and printing business. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had a rise for the first few months of the year, but since then has been choppy. The market cap of the company is 793.09 crores, which indicates that this company is a small cap one. The company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 8.10, which is very cheap when compared with the industry PE of 13.91. The price to book ratio of 3.61 is also not wildly expensive. Now, the concerning factor for this company is the high debt to equity ratio, and this stands at 1.10. The ROCE for the company is a respectable figure of 29.31%. The company has a dividend yield of 0.64%, whereas the promoter holding is also a strong number for this company and stands at a figure of 73.22%. Now friends, just because Dolly Khanna has entered doesn't mean that this company is going to go ahead and multiply from here on. So please go ahead and exercise your own due diligence. Please treat this as just a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.